Today we are looking at how you can combine 2 or more images in Midjourney V4. Can we create something awesome? Let's find out. Okay, so when we're gonna combine 2 or more images, the first thing we need to do is just go to our Midjourney bot, click on the plus sign, upload a file, choose the first image, just hit enter, click upload a file again, just pick your second image, enter. So now we have our 2 images here, and now we can just create our prompt. So just go /imagine, click on the first image, copy URL, paste it, click on your second image, copy URL, make a little space and paste. Now I like to do like a prompt behind here, but you don't have to. Cartoon style --v4 -q2 enter. And now we can see that this is gonna combine our 2 images into one with the added prompt of a cartoon style. I can also show you how this will be without a cartoon style. So let me just do the VV4 and the Q2. Okay, so we have some results back here. This is the one we created with the cartoon character. I think this turned out pretty good. And with no prompt, this is what turned up. You can clearly see that it is Sam Bankman-Fried behind bars. So yeah, this needs some adjustments, but I think it turned out pretty good. So now I'm just gonna create a whole lot of different prompts with this. The theme is gonna, of course, be Sam Bankman-Fried. So let's see what we can create. Okay, so let's take a look at the first result. The prompt we use here was cartoon character, orange prison uniform. And we combined these 2 images and they warped into this one. So I gotta say, this is just perfect. I can't be more happy with this. If you just look at it looked more like a character. So I was so happy with this. Very, very impressed. Okay, so this result is just amazing. The prompt is chased by a mob of people, scared, cartoon style, full body image. I tried to combine like a Bahamas beach with Sam Bankman-Fried. And with this prompt, this is the result we got. I just think it's amazing. You can see him running scared away from like a pack of mobs. I couldn't be more happy with this. I had a few good versions, but I actually picked this one. So yeah, that's just hilarious. Okay, so the next result we have is just the prompt homeless and aerial view, V4Q2. So here we combined Sam Bankman-Fried again with a homeless person. Of course, I feel sad for homeless people, but I don't feel sad for Sam Bankman-Fried. But just look at the results here. That's just amazing. Maybe this is his new way of living now. Who knows? Probably in jail, but anyway, the result here was very good. So yeah, happy with this. Okay, so the next results we have is this one. Here is just the URLs and the --v4 -q2. I just found this hilarious. So I took this Homer image where he's been chased by a mob and combined it with this image. And I just found this very funny. Yeah, what can I say? I love it. So the final result we have here, we did actually combine 3 images. It's an image of a cryptocurrency, the FTX logo, and Sam Bankman-Fried. And we have this quite long prompt, cartoon style, burning cryptocurrency, greedy face, full body image, aerial view. And God, I gotta say, this turned out good. I can't really state how much I love this one. It's perfect. Okay, the only thing we're missing is the FTX logo, but otherwise couldn't be more happy with this. Look at that face. It like stinks with greed. So yeah, very cool. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out more practical AI and automation videos here. Anyway, thank you for watching, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.